Well, as you saw in my previous video, I have a new studio in Vancouver, Canada. I'm super excited about this amazing space for teaching and creativity. And you can see it has amazing windows and light. And I gotta say, it needs a little work. So I got my husband involved, and my sister came to the rescue, and my dad, who did some videotaping. And as you can see, it required a lot of elbow grease.
You guys, you're golden.
We did an amazing job cleaning stuff up, but it did turn out to be a bit bigger job than I expected. But I had an amazing team of painters who came in and did what's got to be called an extreme makeover. While I was packing up my old studio, so stay tuned for part 3, moving into the big, beautiful new studio. I hope you join me for classes this summer.